This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Marilyn Drake. You will love the gorgeous long-range mountain view from this darling chalet. The main open floor plan includes kitchen, refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, microwave, granite counters, living room, rock fireplace with gas logs, vented, and dining area, all with hardwood floors, one of the Master BRs and ensuite, custom closet, large deck on the back. Upstairs includes the second master bedroom and ensuite, custom closet, and private screen porch with beautiful view of the mountains. Terrace level, bonus room, den, third bedroom with ensuite, small office with desk, workshop area and laundry. Other features include new generator, every bedroom has access to patio porch, new toilets, storage unit outside, interior painted 2019, septic tank cleaned 2018, heated floors in upstairs bath. Bsmt has all foamed insulation walls. A must-see. For more information